Hi guys, my name's Amber Rust. I am the head photographer at Two Color Photography. We're here inside my gorgeous studio at Cooley Collective Studios. We're going to be doing a prop unboxing. I'm pretty excited. I love props. I have a prop addiction. So this one comes from Florida, from All3Suns, and I'm going to mention before we get too far into this, we do not receive any compensation for these reviews. I did pay for the product. I'm excited for this one because I just let her pick some colors. So I kind of know what's inside already, but I kind of don't. She just said she would surprise me, so I'm kind of excited. We will leave the link to her store in the comments below, but let's see what we've got here. This came express mail because I knew we needed to get all these products here in time for filming, so I want to thank her for how quickly she worked to get these to me in time. Whoops, this X-Acto is going to cut through the box. There we go. So, such good packaging.
Something just fell out.
Yeah, the lid to this though. We're just looking for a box cutter and this is all they had. There. Ooh, cute. Cute, cute. If I open a box and it immediately makes me go, oh, cute. I love packaging. Look how cute this packaging is. So let's see what's inside this little pouch. How cute is that? Oh, ooh, that's beautiful. She had mentioned that she would throw in something, stars for little boys, because we've got a couple star pieces, and it's really easy to add a headband on a girl that has stars on. I've got a couple star headbands, but it's hard to find a way to include stars into the boys as an accessory. So that's beautiful. Love the stars. So pretty, and it's so soft. I wish you could feel it. Do we have filling vision? Filling vision. So I'm gonna set that there. That's beautiful. I'm really excited for that, and I love the little extra touch on the packaging, and I love her little stick. I don't know, just cute. Just as soon as you open the box, you just go, oh, it's really cute. So let's see what we've got inside here. Ooh, I'm so excited. That's really cute. Oh, look at this. Look at all these cute little touches. Just a little notebook. Got her logo on the front, her branding. I can obviously tell what her branding is. The kind of tie-dye watercolor mark that kind of follows in through her book. That's really cute. It's all these little cute little touches, but look at this. Oh my goodness. Stop it. So cute. Okay, so these are some extra long wraps. I was just noticing this too. Look how cute. There's a little heart tie back in here and then a little star tie back in here. And then this is just a little touch. How cute. Love the little extra TLC that went into the packaging of this. So I'm gonna take one of these out. It's beautiful color. Oh, my heart is happy. Where's the end? There we go. Oh, so soft, guys. So I did order the extra long ones. Sometimes you get a 9-pound baby or even an older baby that you just need a little bit longer. Oh my gosh, that's so soft. So soft. Love that. That is beautiful. And I love just the loose knotting, the loose, I don't know what the word is. I'm sure there's like a fancy word. The holes, like that you can see the holes, because when you wrap it around a baby to be able to see their little toes. That's beautiful. So, thread count, would that be like 1 on like sheets when it's supposed to be really, really fancy? That is very, very fancy. I'm very impressed. So I want to open up this one that has the little tie back in there. How gorgeous is that? I am so excited. So pretty. And then again, another little wrap. We ordered all of them. This is a set that came, I could choose between the extra long and the regular length, and I chose extra long on all 6. And then she just said, do you want me to surprise you on colors? And I said yes. So, and I love all of those colors. They're absolutely stunning. So the purple, and then I just want to look at this little star tie back as well. That is absolutely stunning. Just delicate, so pretty. And then that really pretty wrap. Love that whole box. So pretty. I don't even want to like, I don't want to unwrap them. I can't obviously wrap them as cute as she did. But I might just always keep them in that box when I'm done so that I remember where I got them. We will be going back and shopping from her again. Very pretty. Love the little extras that she put into that. And I know I'm not going to be able to wrap that back up, but look at those gorgeous colors. We'll leave a link to her shop in the description below. Just remember, All3Suns. Fine photography props. That's her cute little logo. A cute little notebook. Very impressed. Love that whole packaging. Very beautiful. Remember, I don't want that to fall off, to subscribe to our channel. Click the bell so that you receive notifications when we post new videos. And we will talk to you later. Thanks for joining us. Bye.